Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about clean your room, clear your mind.
Yes, because sometimes the room is not just messy, the brain feels messy too.
Exactly. Clothes on the chair can somehow become thoughts in your head.
And that chair stops being a chair, it becomes a clothing mountain.
I know that mountain very well.
Same here. One shirt becomes two shirts, then suddenly it has its own postcode.
A messy room can make it harder to start anything.
Yes, because before you work, your brain sees the mess and says, "Another job?"
That is why small habits help so much.
Put the cup in the kitchen, put the shoes in one place, and put the keys where they belong.
Keys are very good at disappearing.
They love joining a secret witness protection program.
And then you spend 10 minutes searching before you even leave the house.
Exactly. So the simple habit is to give everything a home.
I like that phrase. Give everything a home.
Yes, the cup has a home, the shoes have a home, and the lonely sock needs a home too.
Small mess is easy to handle.
But big mess feels like a full project with no coffee break.
One plate is nothing, but 5 plates suddenly feel personal.
I get that. Then the mind says, great, another thing on my list.
So we do not need to clean perfectly.
Yes, start small. Make the bed, clear one table, or put away one pile.
Even one small win can make the brain feel calmer.
It tells your mind, we are back in control.
A clean desk can also help you start work faster.
True. A clear desk says, let's begin.
A messy desk says, maybe open YouTube for emotional support.
Very accurate and slightly dangerous.
The goal is not to become a perfect person.
Exactly. The goal is to make life a little easier for your future self.
Put things away now so tomorrow does not become a cleaning drama.
That is a useful everyday habit, not a big life lecture.
Clean space, clear mind. Simple start.
And sometimes peace begins with picking up one lonely sock.
Now let's practice some short sentences you can shadow.
Listen, repeat, and speak with a calm, natural rhythm.
I feel clearer when my room is clean.
I put things back where they belong.
A small mess is easier to fix.
I do not wait until it becomes a big job.
My chair is not a clothing mountain.
I take my cup back to the kitchen.
I keep my keys in one place.
I clear my desk before I start work.
One small tidy up can change my mood.
I do not need to clean perfectly.
I start with one simple thing.
A clean space helps me think better.
I make my room easier to live in.
I help my future self by tidying now.
Peace can begin with one small habit.
Well done for practicing today.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Just listen again and speak out loud.
Let the rhythm become natural over time.
Small practice can make your English stronger.
And maybe your room a little cleaner too.
Keep going. One sentence and one sock at a time.
See you in the next lesson.